Alright YouTube, today I wanted to do something a little different. A company by the name of Lasfit reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on some LED lights. So they sent me some dome lights, some LED dome lights, and as you can tell they're extremely bright. They sent me some license plate lights, again crazy bright, and some reverse lights. So I'm going to start out at the front two. Little, I think 10 millimeter, 196 or 198. I can't remember off the top of my head. And then the back, I think, is a 44 millimeter light. Again, extremely bright. Like, this thing lights up the entire cab. Something to note, because these are replacing the halogen bulbs, there is kind of a dim flicker at the end, but it's not terrible. Again, extremely bright lights. License plate lights are bright as well. I'll actually start the car for you and then take you around back to look at the reverse lights. Start that up. Parking brake on, and then we'll put it in reverse. Real quick to show you how bright these are. I mean, like, it's just absolutely crazy how bright these lights actually are. Backing up is way easier. I don't know how well it's going to come through on camera, but you can see the light output from these lights are awesome. When it gets a little darker, maybe I'll pull into the garage with the lights off and show you how bright they are. But overall, I'm extremely impressed. The brightness, the quality, they seem like they're some pretty high quality bulbs. I'm hoping they'll send me some headlights so I can do a review on those, but I will put a link to these products down in the description. I'm just going to link to the ones they gave me. However, they have a whole bunch of lights on their Amazon store, so I'll just put the links for that, and then you can go from there and find the bulbs for your vehicle. So let's go into the garage real quick, and then I'll show you how much light output the reverse lights actually have. So I'm in the garage right now, and besides the headlights, you can pretty much see in the entire car, especially those back ones because of how big the LED bulb actually is. Again, extremely bright. Those are still stock halogens, but you come back here to the license plate light as this keeps falling off. You can actually see how bright these truly are. I mean, it illuminates this back wall, and they're pretty much reverse power lights at this point. I'm going to turn the lights on real quick, and then I'm going to show you how bright the reverse lights are. Turn that on. Just turn the car on real quick. Parking brake is on. I'll put it in reverse. I don't know, you can see just right off the bat, there's back there, there's reverse, there's park, there's reverse. Let's go back there real quick. Again, pretty much lights up the entire wall. Very bright. This vehicle not having a backup camera, these lights definitely come in handy, especially at night. It's very easy to see where you're going. And overall, again, I'm just extremely impressed with the brightness and the quality from these things. Again, I will leave the link in the description. I'd like to thank Lasfit for allowing me to do a review of their products. Full disclosure, they did send me these bulbs for free. I'm very grateful for that. But I would definitely highly recommend them. As you can see, they are extremely bright. Again, the installation time varies depending on your application. I know with this particular Fusion from, I think it's 2010 to 2012, getting the reverse light bulb out of those housings is kind of a pain in the butt, and it was very difficult for me to film, so I just decided to do a review on them after I installed them. So thanks for watching and have a great day.